Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add money on Etoro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Etoro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding money to your Etoro account is a straightforward process that can serve various purposes depending on your investment goals and strategies. Basically, you can do this on the website and in your mobile app. Once you're logged into your account, you see there's going to be an option here that says deposit funds on the bottom left corner. Click on it and you would be forwarded in this section wherein it's up to you. What do you want to put money into? A debit card? Is it going to be a PayPal, a bank account, or a bank transfer? All right. Let's say for this instance, it's going to be a debit card. You can put in as many amount of money. All right. Make sure that the minimum deposit amount is $100, like $6.90. Now, on the debit card, you just have to fill in the card number, these information, and of course, please take note, if the card should belong to you and be in your name, just click on deposit if this is going to be your account. You could always do the same in the PayPal and again on all of these accounts. All right. Now, after putting it in, for example, it's going to be the PayPal, you would be forwarded to another page. All right, just wait for it. Now, all you have to do, if you haven't already, is to complete your profile so you can start investing and see what else your account has to offer and complete your profile. In my case, I just recently created my account, so I haven't verified my account, but if you do, you would be able to send the money without any problem. But in case you encounter any issues or trouble sending money, adding money to your funds or to someone, you might want to go in this section. This is the Etoro Customer Service Center. You can visit the Help Center if you get some knowledge-based articles and guidelines, or simply you can open a ticket. Select your query, and that's going to be deposit, which is transferring, earning money. You see that? That's going to be can't deposit. All right. Put in the subject. All right. And of course, if you wanted to upload a file like a screenshot of the error, that would be helpful so that they can give you proper insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.